How to log in into Walmart Plus account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today on this tutorial video I will show you guys how to log in into Walmart Plus account. It is a quite easy and simple process, so let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a very stable internet connection on your device. Now in order to log in into the Walmart Plus account, you can simply use the Walmart application or you can also use the website. In this tutorial video I'll be logging into the account using website. So simply open any browser. For example, I'll be using Safari, and here you can see I have already searched for walmart.com and I'm already on the interface of official Walmart. Now in order to log in, simply click on that three dash line on the upper left corner. Once you click on it, here you will see that Walmart Plus option. Click on it. Once you click on it, here you will see the benefits of using Walmart Plus. So basically, Walmart Plus is a membership that can help you to save many more discounts on your purchase. Now in order to log in, simply click on blue button that says start your free 30-day trial. Once you do that, follow the screen prompts, log in into your account and you are good to go. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.